There's something I want to tell you. I'm not going to do anything about it. I'll do nothing about Joe, but you are going to do something for me. You made Chris feel guilty with me. I'd like you to tell him that Larry is dead and that you know it. You understand me? I'm not going out of here alone. There's no life for me that way. I want you to set him free. And then I promise you everything will end and will go away, and that's all. I know what I am asking, Kate. You had 2 sons, but you've only got 1 now. And you've got to say that to him so he knows you mean it. Larry is dead, Kate. I said he's dead, I know. He crashed off the coast of China November 25th. His engine didn't fuel him, but he died, I know. I loved him. You know I loved him. Would I have looked at anyone else if I wasn't sure? That's enough for you. You're hurting my wrists. Joe, go in the house. Please go. Sit down. First, you've got to understand why I didn't have any idea about Joe. I had nothing against him or you. I came to get married. I hoped. So I didn't bring this to hurt you. I thought I'd show it to you only if there was no other way to set Larry in your mind. He wrote to me just before I'm not trying to hurt you, Kate.